At this sprawling facility, the journey of a Yamaha motorcycle begins.
The journey of engineering excellence begins.
Material spec confirmed. Batch 742 is compliant.
Acknowledged. Data updated.
Bring the next load in.
Flow rate steady. Check the temperature on C-line.
Holding at 720. Proceed with the tilt.
Check the input pressure on panel 4.
Reading stable, right within the parameters.
Measurements. The cylinder head is lowered precisely into place. Technicians follow a strict digital sequence, ensuring every The switch is clear for assembly line B.
Confirmed. Routing adjusted.
As the glossy fray-lined, the assames descend.
Okay, the alignment marks are set. Let's check the free play.
It's right in the green zone. Perfect calibration.
Optical calibration ensures the beam pattern meets stringent standards. The digital display confirms precise alignment before the motorcycle proceeds.
Everything aligned on the checklist?
Yes, the surface finish is flawless. Ready for sign-off.
After rigorous testing, the finished motorcycles are prepared for dispatch. Precision is key as the final serial.
Once cleared, the shipment data is locked into the system, ensuring full traceability from factory to dealer.
Bay 4 is clear. Proceed to checkpoint Alpha.
Roger that. Moving now.
As you can see, the adjustments to the casting process have significantly improved our yield this quarter.
That's excellent news. Apply firm, steady pressure until you hear the click.
Like this?
Yes, perfectly calibrated. Now, log that on the system.
All parameters are within limits. Checklist complete.
Confirmed. Ready for validation.
The displacement readings are stable across the mounts.
Confirmed. The cycle can continue.
Check the y-axis fluctuation on Welding Robot 7. We have a temperature spike.
Predictive models suggest a bearing failure. Scheduling service for Tuesday. I'll update the log.
The new parameters are holding steady.
Simulation validated. Let's push this to the floor.
If we integrate the aluminum components here, the power-to-weight ratio improves.
We must ensure platform compatibility.
We are holding steady at peak resonance.
Confirmed. The pass indicator is solid.
We verify the brake line torque here, as per the checklist.
Confirmed. And the system locks the procedure globally once approved.
The data clearly shows an emerging quality trend in the EU market.
Right. Let's log this as a critical corrective action and notify the regional team.
All parameters are within the acceptable range. I'm applying the final approval stamp.
Excellent. We can move on to the next unit.
The cycle times are down by 15%.
Error logs are clear. We are good for integration.
Peak load balancing is successful across all zones.
Confirmed. We are maintaining optimal efficiency for the assembly line.
Evacuate the area, move towards the green zone. Faster.
All clear, all clear. Time is 25 seconds.
This end-to-end process, blending decades of heritage with ultra-modern precision, ensures
The Japan-specific configuration matrix looks correct now.
All right, initiating the release gate approval sequence.
Torque on the engine mounts is spot on.
Good. Caliper reading matches the schematic. Final check confirmed.
We have a pull signal for the engine components at Station 3.
Acknowledged. AGVs are dispatched for just-in-time delivery.
Monitoring critical metrics like torque and thickness allows us to identify trends. Once stabilized within the control,
That lift was well within the ergonomic limits.
cycle time is down by 10%.
Given these verified metrics, I want you to focus on the Scope 3 emissions for the next milestone, James.
Understood. I'll update the projection model.
All systems green across the board.
Confirmed. We are officially live.
Dragging this order now. See, it locks right here.
Perfect. That fills the capacity for Tuesday.
activating global tracking for the latest shipment. The VINs are now linking across all platforms.
All indicators are green across the board.
Confirmed. Clearing the L3 alert now.
Solid performance on the engine temps.
Torque is confirmed.
Fitment approved. Logging the clearance specs now.
Applying the freeze now. Checksums align across all modules.
Confirmed. Release gate is green and rollback readiness is verified. As you can see, the aluminum components are precisely machined before assembly.
Great. Take approved. Moving on to the final quality checks.
Trace complete. 2 minutes, 12 seconds.
100% completeness. Drill passed. The verified credits are holding strong, exceeding our reduction trajectory targets for Q3.
Yes, and this audit seal...
The regional checklists are complete and the support workflows are validated.
Excellent work. The experience is officially launch ready.
Activation confirmed across all regions.
Coverage parameters are live. Audit trail complete.
Compliance metrics are green across the board. Good.
Let's dispatch the shipment.
The optimal plan is locked. All carriers are synchronized.
Excellent. That meets our risk buffer requirements.
Check the manifest for Wagon 12. Are the engine components secured?
Yes, confirmed. We have clearance to seal the convoy.
Convoy 115, confirmed route permits are clear. Sequence lights turning green now.
Copy that. Rolling out synchronized. ETA at checkpoint 1 updated.
Roger that. Crane moving to position.
Copy. Guiding the stacker now.
Bay confirmation successful on tablet.
Stability checks are green across the board. Proceed with the next lift.
We have a vessel approaching the storm front, ETA compromised. Rerouting via the southern corridor. Confirmed, status is green.
Check the buffer capacity for the northern route.
Looks good. All green for the 3 p.m. dispatch.
The engine casing is pristine. Logging the photos now.
Confirmed. Looks like a clean pass on this unit.
This covers the 3-year warranty and your service plan. If you could just sign here.
Of course. Thank you for clarifying everything.
Welcome to the family. Now, before we ride, let's review the cockpit controls and the readiness indicators here on the display.
Okay, as you can see, the synchronization is complete. Your ownership is now active and the digital services are live.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
The manufacturing journey is complete. Systems confirm delivery, activating the lifecycle tracking for the rider.
Delivery status is complete on the Yamaha shipment.
Excellent. I've submitted the feedback form.
The mileage accumulation is stabilizing across the board.
Yes, and service reminders are well within the projected window. System health is optimal. The frequency map highlights the clutch issue reports from the last quarter.
Let's apply the regional filter.
Look at that, down to an acceptable threshold after the update. As you can see, the actions from the machining bottlenecks are now officially closed.
And the Q3 stabilization is holding strong.
The satisfaction index is holding strong at 985%.
Yes, the feedback on the new models is overwhelmingly positive.
The reported claim rates are significantly lower than projected.
It confirms the integrity of the new engine components. We are fully verified.
Excellent. Knowledge transfer complete.
Cycle completion is at 100%, ready for the next shift.
Acknowledged. Systems show green across the board.
We're seeing excellent elongation before necking.
Stress strain curves confirm suitability for the new frame design.
E-audio features the sound of machinery and background noise typical of a factory or workshop setting.
All feedback integrated. The change request is approved.
Confirmed. The updates are pushing to the assembly line now.
We'll monitor the initial run closely.
Through meticulous inspection and CNC refurbishment, we extend the life cycle of our tooling.
Excellent work. Your certification is renewed for the next cycle.
The capacity gains and quality improvements justify the spend.
Absolutely. Let's move forward with the authorization.
Approved. The critical path runs through these milestones.
We must finalize the sequencing for the Q3 rollout.
The data confirms the robust design margins. The validation checks have passed, and the reliability outlook is approved for the upcoming cycle.
As you can see on the screen, these milestones highlight the future direction of our assembly lines and quality testing.
This is the enduring legacy of precision engineering.